Hi there. So let's continue our discussion with fixed resistors and different types of fixed resistors. So let's discuss about these different fixed resistors. First is molded carbon composite resistors. So these are the type of resistors in which the carbon clay composition, carbon clay material is used as a core material, which is used as a resistor. So here is the figure. This part right here, this part right here, this is what is carbon clay. So 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 that's is the carbon clay part of that. Here, if you could see red, blue, gray, yellow stripes, these are the stripes which are used for coding the material, coding the resistor. I mean, coding, we'll discuss about it in later lectures. But coding generally means is a way of labeling things. So so these materials are made up of carbon clay compositions. They ranges from few ohms to like few mega ohms, like 22, 23, 24 mega ohms. So it's in that range, and the tolerance range is around 5 to 20%. So what that means is that is the level of error which you can expect in that. So these are relatively cheap, easily available in market, and is quite ubiquitously used. Second one is a carbon film resistors. So as you see in the figure, here there is a coiling around it. So that coiling here, if you can see it here, this is a carbon film coiling which is like helically covered over a over a glass core. This part, this is a some kind of ceramic or a glass core. Over it, the carbon film is in a way like strapped around it. So it's rolled over it. So that's what it is made up of. It is basically made up of pure carbon film or some other metal which is rolled over a ceramic core or another kind of an insulating core. That's it. That's what carbon film is. And how it is deposited, it's a chemical process using pyrolysis. We'll discuss what pyrolysis is in topics related to chemistry using some hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon is basically used to heat that material so that it gets attached over it. Or think of it like that. So that's what carbon film is, and we can change its resistance value by by like cutting. Say we can cut it at a particular point because the resistance is denoted by rho times L by A. So if we change the length of it, we can obtain the desired value of resistance. So these are very precise. The accuracy level is around 1%. That means that if your resistance is 100 ohm, if it's mentioned that resistance is 100 ohm, so it will change the change in the value will be from, I mean, the value can range from 99 ohms to 101 ohms. That's what accuracy of 1% means. That it that error is of plus minus 1%. So these are quite precise form of carbon film resistors. And the other name of it is also known as precision type resistors. So the third one is the wire bound resistor. So here's the figure of it. The wire is wounded, is like rolled over some kind of a core. So core can be of two types. No, sorry. Core is generally of porcelain core. So that is also a ceramic type material. Okay. And in this, basically there are two types of wire wound resistors. One is ceramic type, another one is vitreous enamel type. So what is this enamel type? It's nothing but uh, the outside coating is made up of enamel. I mean, the enamel is enamel containing powder glass is like coated outside, and then it is heated to form a heterogeneous enable type wire bound resistors. And another one is ceramic type. In those type, the core is basically the the ceramic material, and over that ceramic material, the wire, which is either like chrome based or some other metal based, is used for that part. So these are the three fixed basic types of fixed resistors. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the color coding. So thank you.